Landscape ecology. Landscape ecology deals with the ecology of the landscape. Now, this landscape is nothing but a heterogeneous area and they are composed of interacting ecosystems. They are characterized by diverse interacting ecosystems. When we say ecosystem, it can be natural, including both terrestrial and aquatic, and also man-made, which includes the urban and agricultural settings. Landscape have a different landforms and also vegetation types. Landscape ecology, as the name implies, is the study of landscape specially based on composition, structure and function. Landscape structure is not necessarily defined by its size. Rather, it is defined by an interacting ecosystems. So, structure means it is the interacting ecosystem. When we say composition, it involves the abundance of species in the ecosystem and the different types of communities present in this ecosystem, and it also includes genetic makeup of the population. Landscape function. Now, landscape function involves climatic, geological, hydrological, ecological and evolutionary processes. Landscape elements. A landscape consists of three main components. They are matrix, patches and corridors. Landscape mosaic are described by these landscape components. Patches are unit of land or habitat. Relatively, these patches are homogeneous area and that differs from the surrounding, but is a heterogeneous when compared to the whole. Patches may mainly occur due to habitat fragmentation. The area is initially all a single habitat and is eventually decreased until only isolated patches remained. For example, if these patches were earlier a single forest habitat, but during course of time it might have been reduced to the smaller patches. Patches are basic unit of the landscape that change and fluctuate. The size, shape, location and orientation of patch is determined by land interacting with climate factors and other factors such as establishment of flora and fauna, soil development, natural disturbance and human influences. These patches may be interconnected to one another with corridors. Patches may be connected with corridors. So, if this is patch 1, this is patch 2, patch 3 and patch 4, they may be connected with corridors. Landscape corridors are thin strips of habitat that connect isolated patches of habitats. Many different kinds of corridors can be found in a landscape. They may be wide to narrow. Corridors are areas that link the patches together and they serve as highways for organisms to move from one patch to another. Larger organisms move easily with the wider corridors, but their movement restricts when the corridors are narrow. Patches are also surrounded by matrix. It plays an important role in the functioning of the landscape. Patches and corridors are embedded in the matrix. The goal of a landscape ecologist is to understand and describe the landscape structure, how this structure influences the movement of organisms, material or energy across the landscape, and how and why landscape structures changes over time.